So recently I bought this Moreart Diorama. It is the lightning scene of factory building. And let's see if it's any good. So we're going to open the box. Here we got the manual. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that should be pretty simple. Let's do it like this. There we go. Now let's take it out of the plastic. We see a LED strip, so it comes with a light. This is the battery box, and as you can see, it is made out of wood. Yeah, it is out of wood. The material that Moreart is using is high quality. Okay, this must be a piece of road. Let's do it a little bit wider, that's better. This is for the side, I think. And we got this right here. Seems to be a wall. And this must be the base. So I guess this is the front right here. Okay, there is a roof. What is the front? Okay. Yeah. This must be it, right? Okay. Then we got a side panel right here. Should be here. There we go. And then we got another side panel right here. There we go. Yeah. Then we have the roof. Got the roof. And the roof is going. Let's see. Got 2 right here. I've got 2 here. So the roof is going like this. That's 1. That's 2. It's a little bit difficult to see, but I have to find the holes here. Yeah, there we go. The battery compartment is right here, so you can take the batteries out really easy. Okay, then we got the front. So this should be going right here. No. Take that out. I have to do it like this. No. Hmm. Yep. And then I've got this. Okay. Yep, so this is it. Got some tracks here coming out of the factory. And now I'm going to get some batteries. Okay, you have to use 2 AA batteries. That's 1. That's 2. I see the light is already working. Place it back. We're going to switch on. So we see we have the light. Beautiful light. That is really cool. And this one's going right here. Okay, now we're going to place some stuff in it to see how it looks. So here it is next to the Gulf Moreart Diorama, and it looks pretty good. Very good for photos. The light inside is also very nice. Did a quick setup. Yeah. Very cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this diorama. Have a very good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.